Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon. Hello,
Good
everybody.
afternoon.
How are you today?
Hello. We're fine. We
So
are in a
today
good mood.
we will continue our study again. We will have a topic narrative. Title is Exploring Narrative Text. So we will enter in chapter 5, A2, level A2, chapter 5, unit 1 that you have already done last week. Yeah, in this week, we will discuss about it. So objective The objective of our lesson today, at the end of the class, the participants can analyze and evaluate. So here, we will analyze and evaluate the challenges. Jadi kita akan menganalisis dan mengevaluasi challenges ke tantangan faced by the researchers, and the effectiveness of solutions across multimodal stories, showing critical awareness of narrative problem solution patterns. Jadi di dalam naratif atau di dalam cerita, di dalam story ini nanti kita akan menganalisis dan mengevaluasi tantangan yang dihadapi oleh si karakter cerita tersebut, and the effectiveness of solutions. Nanti ada problem solutions pattern. Ada problem, apa itu problem? Ada yang tahu, Bapak Ibu?
Masa
Masalah, ya. Problem is masalah. And then solution? Solutions
solusi.
solusi. Jadi solusi dari masalah ya. In the story, they have problems and they also have solutions in narrative. And before we start further, sebelum kita lanjut lebih jauh, there is a little survey for us. You can open the Mentimeter that I share you, or you can scan the barcode. What is your favorite stories? Cerita yang Bapak Ibu sukai ketika Bapak Ibu masih kecil. Do you have any problem in opening the Mentimeter? Okay, we have Bluey. Who write down Bluey? Oh, Miss Nur Izati, right? Bluey. What is Bluey, Miss Nur Izati?
It's a film of for families of dogs,
On the Pokemon?
I am. Pokemon is a massive global franchise centered around fictional creatures called Pokemon that humans can catch, train, and battle.
Now we'll go to vocabularies. Here there are some focus vocabularies on our lesson today. We have story. Well, do you know what is the Indonesian translation of story? What is story in Indonesian? Cerita. Okay. Title. What is title? The story usually has title. What is title? Okay, right. Judul. And then setting. Who knows what is setting? Okay, setting here itu latar belakang ya, latar belakang. So whenever we have stories, usually we have latar belakang, such as di mana tempatnya, where is it, kapan terjadinya, when, is it in the morning, is it in the night, is it at night, is it in the afternoon, or for example later on, this all settings is needed to build up a story. Jadi setting itu untuk imajinasinya itu sangat diperlukan ya Bapak Ibu. So ketika suatu saat nanti you have the story with the children, don't forget to build the setting first. Characters, do you know characters? Ada yang tahu karakter itu apa? Oke, karakter kartun. Ada lagi?
Tokoh.
Ya, tokoh. Benar sekali. Bisa orang, bisa karakter itu. Bisa animal. What is animal? We continue. Please repeat after me. Kita vocabnya kita coba untuk ucapkan dulu ya. Please repeat after me. Story. Title. Setting. Okay, Miss Jaja, repeat after me.
setting.
Characters.
Problem.
Now we go with the first one. Title. Can you guess the title from seeing the pictures? Oke, ketika Bapak Ibu nanti di kelas bersama anak-anak mungkin ketika mulai suatu cerita, biasanya kita tunjukin dulu covernya ya di bagian depannya, dan bisa kita lihat dengan anak-anak bertanya tentang judulnya dulu. Kita lihat di gambar ini, we see in these pictures. What pictures is this? What animal is this?
Chickens.
Okay, are you sure this is chicken?
I
Yes.
You can choose either ugly.
Ugly looking.
Is it Enchanted Library? Is it Princess and a Dragon?
Yeah.
Or Six Little
No, no.
Chickens?
No.
6 little chickens.
Okay, Miss Nur Izati with Six Little Chicken. How about Mr. Hafiz? Yes?
I'm still confused.
Ugly Duckling. How about Mr. Robani? What's the title according to you?
I guess
Tapi
it's
yang benar
this
adalah
Okay, Ugly Duckling. Yeah, so the answer is Ugly Duckling. Now we go on to the setting of the story. Where and when. Where itu di mana dan when itu menunjukkan waktu kapannya. For example, look at here. Look at the picture number 5. What place is that? Where is that? Di mana ini?
in the river middle forest.
Okay, in the river. Beside river, yang bisa dilihat beside river apa yang bisa kita lihat?
A mountain Everest.
Forest.
Wrong.
It
A
is
mountain Everest.
thunder. Kapan waktunya ini? When? Kapan ini? We have thunder here.
Where?
Thunderstorm.
Thunder. Thunder. Thunder.
Okay.
Thunderstorm.
morning.
storm at night.
Storm
This
at
is-
night. So there is no sun ya. Kita lihat very dark sky. So it is a storm at night.
Which means
Okay. The characters who here we have the story here, the shepherd, the boy, and the wolf. Characters itu atau penokohan itu, it is the people or animal or anything in the story that has played the role in narrative. Jadi dalam naratif itu ya ada yang menjalankan ceritanya. Nah, I want Miss Nur Izati read it. Please read Miss Nur Izati.
a boy shepherd boy decided to trick the villager by shouting that wolf attacking his sheep. The villager rushed to help but found no wolf. Amused by the boy repeats the trick. When
Okay,
a real
stop,
wolf
stop,
appears,
Continue, Mr. Hafiz. Continue, Mr. Hafiz.
Amused, the boy repeats the trick. When a real wolf appears, he cries for help, but the villagers think he's joking again and ignores him. The wolf attacks the flocks and the boy learns a hard lesson. Lying destroys trust.
Okay, thank you very much. So from the story, we can see who is the characters in the story. Siapa penokohannya di dalam cerita tersebut? Oke, shepherd. What is shepherd in bahasa Indonesia? Shepherd adalah
Pengembala.
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 Very good.
Pengembala.
Ada satu lagi tokohnya.
Pengembala.
Tahu, siapa yang tahu?
ever again.
Satu lagi tokohnya siapa?
Wolf.
Villager.
Villagers, are you sure?
Yes.
Oke, villagers. Ada lagi?
The wolf and the sheep.
Oke, the wolf. Jadi ada the boy, there is a boy,
Help
who is
me to make
shepherd,
this
and then a wolf, and then villagers. Okay, we will continue.
Help.
Yes, continue.
Okay. Now,
Continue.
problem and solution in the stories.
Help.
Let's see, there is a problem and there is a
Help.
solution. Masih ingat tadi apa itu problems?
Masalah.
Masalah.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Robani, would you mind to read the definition of a problem? Silakan dibaca definisi problemsnya. The other, please listen. Mr. Robani.
Problem. What problem did the character find?
Okay. For example.
A riddle, a locked door, or a magic spell?
Okay, solutionnya, please, Mr. Hafiz.
Solution. How did the character solve it? For example, by making friends or working together.
Okay, right. Jadi problem itu the obstacle atau masalah yang dihadapi oleh si karakter ya. Contoh, for example, a reader, misalnya teka-teki nih masalahnya, atau a locked door, masalahnya misalnya pintunya terkunci, or a magic spell, mungkin masalahnya disebabkan oleh magic misalnya, for example ya. Dan solution, how did the character solve it? Bagaimana cara si karakter itu menyelesaikannya? For example, by making friends or working together. Nah, look at the story. Ada yang tahu story ini? Do you know this story about a bird and water?
I know.
Oh,
Yes,
you know about it.
I know.
Miss Nur Izati, can you read the story?
Once A thirsty crow couldn't reach the water at the bottom of a pitcher. Instead of giving up, it picked up pebbles and dropped them into the pitcher.
Okay.
With each pebble, the water level rose. The crow continues this until the water was high enough to drink, saving its own life through cleverness.
Okay, so the crow is very clever, ya. What is the problem of the crow? Anyone knows? Ada yang tahu?
The water level of at the bottom of picture.
Okay, the water level of the pitcher. And what is the solution that the crow do? Nah, kira-kira
Pebbles!
solusi
Pebbles! Picking up pebbles! Dropping it pebbles again!
Okay, so
Pick up the
dropping the
pebble and
pebbles
put it in
one
the
by
pitcher.
one. Yeah, okay, so very good, very good. Now, watch and analyze the story. We will watch a story, and then from the story, oh, this is the story. Do you still remember apa ini namanya? Far?
Golden goose!
Okay, Golden Goose. This is Far. Tokohnya adalah Far. Farmer. And this is Dr.
Farmer.
Goose.
Goose! A golden goose!
Goose. Goose.
Okay. Oh, what is it?
Goose.
Golden
The
egg.
golden egg!
Golden egg.
What is
That's
it?
golden egg.
I want you later on watch a story. Kita nonton ya sedikit cerita ya. Dan selagi kita nonton, later on we will discuss. Nanti kita akan diskusikan. Ingat ya, ini pertanyaannya ya. Number one, what is the title of the story? Number two, who are the characters? Siapa karakternya? Three, where the story happens? Di mana tempatnya terjadi? Four, what is the problem? Problemnya apa? Number five, what is the solution of the story? So, please watch the movie first.
Please. The goose that laid golden egg. The goose that laid golden egg.
The favorite goose because of his greediness and stupid decisions. It is truly said, too much greed.
Do you still remember what is the title of the story?
The greedy
The
farmer.
goose
Golden goose!
Okay, the goose and
and the
The
farmer.
farmer!
the goose and the farmer. The goose who laid the golden egg. Who are the
The-
characters?
The goose is laid the golden egg.
I need to
The
stop!
farmer. The farmer.
A farmer.
The farmer.
And
The goose. The
then
goose.
a goose. Where the story happens? Di mana lokasi ceritanya?
Village.
Green.
In the where is it? Di mana letak ceritanya tadi? Do you still remember?
Green field.
Okay, in the green field. What kan di dalam kelompok pertanyaan apakah problem dari cerita tersebut, apakah solution yang terjadi di cerita tersebut, do you think that the farmer do is right? Apakah menurut kamu si farmer yang lakukan untuk solution itu benar?
Me?
If you were the farmer, what will you do with the goose?
And this
Me?
Okay, we will do the discussion in groups ya. Jadi saya bagi sebentar dalam bentuk grupnya. And after you have discussion, do you find the answer? What is the problem?
The problem of the farmer, yes, he's not doing right, and we will eat the goose.
Okay, the farmer is too greedy ya. Do you think the farmer is right? What the farmer do is right?
No, it's not. No, 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 it's not right.
farmer is
They
not
could
right.
kill the goose.
If you were the farmer, would you also kill the goose?
No, no, no,
We
no.
will kill the goose.
Are you sure? Why? Why you would kill the goose?
No, no, no.
No.
It's her and not. I'm not
You
killing the
got
goose.
to.
Okay, Mr. Robani, how about you?
If
If
we
you
are
were the
hungry.
farmer, what will you do with the
I'm
goose?
not killing
Do
the
you also
goose.
kill it?
I will,
No, no.
I will take
I'm just hungry.
really feed him, feed her well, so he can lay egg for me.
Okay, so it's more rational for you not to kill the goose, but to make it more eggs for you. Now, as it is we reach the end of the sessions. It is our reflections. What do we learn today? Do you still remember what we learn today? Miss Nur, what is story? Story itu apa in Indonesian?
Cerita.
Yeah, wrong things.
We got characters.
Yeah,
Do you still remember characters in Indonesian?
Then. Nah,
Problems?
masalah.
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 Pemecahan masalah.
Jawaban.
Now,
Solusi.
at the end, okay. So, how do you feel today? Do you feel happy with our lesson?
Yeah.
A little,
It's good.
a little good, a little. I have.
What is your question?
My question is, how how do you get all this image from?
I will share you later on, Miss Nafisati. Don't worry. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you very much.
My Wi-Fi is bad.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Mom,
wabarakatuh.
do you isi
And good afternoon.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon.